a village that may be small in size but holds a remarkable place in history. Located in the heart of rural Hampshire, England, it's best known as the home of one of England's greatest literary figures, Jane Austen. Welcome to Chawton. Tucked away in the rural heart of Hampshire, Chawton is the kind of village that feels untouched by time. With its winding lanes, historic cottages, and an air of quiet serenity, it's an idyllic setting that offers a glimpse into England's past. But beyond its picturesque charm, Chawton holds a remarkable literary legacy. Chawton is best well known for having the home of the famous English author Jane Austen, who wrote some English classics, and is the main attraction of the village. This modern red brick house on the corner of the village is where Jane Austen spent the final years of her life. It was here, in this very home, that she revised and completed some of her most iconic works, including Pride and Prejudice, Emma, and Sense and Sensibility. And today it's a museum that welcomes visitors from all over the world, offering a glimpse into the life and the times of the beloved author. Step inside and you'll find her original writing table where her genius came to life. The museum also preserves her personal belongings, letters, and first editions of her books, providing an intimate look at her daily life and the creative process. Just a short walk from Jane Austen's house stands the Church of St. Nicholas. This peaceful churchyard is where many of Austen's family members are buried, including her mother and sister. The connection to the Austen family adds a deeply personal layer to the village's story. And for those who love history, Chawton House is another must-see. Known as the Great House during Austen's time, it was owned by her brother Edward Austen Knight. But Chawton isn't just about its literary heritage. The village itself is a picture of traditional English charm. Its pubs, tea rooms and well-tended gardens make it an inviting spot to pause and soak up the atmosphere. It's a place where the past feels alive in the present. Chawton may be a small village, but its contributions to culture and history are immeasurable. It's a place where the echoes of the past mingle with the beauty of the present, leaving a lasting impression on all those who visit. We really hope you like our videos. And please like and subscribe if you do.